संपूर्ण भारतातील विद्यार्थ्यांच्या बुद्धिमत्ता, नवनिर्मिती आणि कल्पकता यांची चमक दाखवत भारतातील आघाडीच्या के-12 शाळांच्या साखळीमधील ऑर्किड्स द इंटरनॅशनल स्कूलतर्फे त्यांच्या सर्वात मोठ्या देशव्यापी टेक कार्निव्हल मॅकॅथॉन 2023चे पुण्यात आयोजन करण्यात आले. या उत्सवात विद्यार्थ्यांच्या प्रतिभेचे खरेखुरे प्रदर्शन झाले, कारण यामध्ये त्यांना एक सर्जनशील मंच उपलब्ध झाला, जिथे त्यांना नवनिर्मितीसाठी प्रेरणा मिळाली आणि विद्यार्थ्यांच्या ज्ञानाच्या कक्षा अधिक मोठ्या झाल्या. हा उत्सव पुण्यातील ताथवडे, आंबेगाव आणि मांजरी येथील ऑर्किड स्कूलमध्ये आयोजित करण्यात आला. या टेक कार्निव्हलमुळे एका बहुआयामी शैक्षणिक प्रवासाचा अनुभव घेता आला, ज्यामुळे विद्यार्थ्यांना त्यांचे समस्या सोडवण्याचं कौशल्य वाढवता आले, कुतूहल आणि नवनिर्मिती क्षमतेला चालना मिळाली आणि त्यांच्या गणितीय आणि वैज्ञानिक संकल्पनांचा प्रत्यक्षात वापर करता आला. विद्यार्थ्यांनी केस स्टडी स्पर्धा आणि जिज्ञासू प्रश्नमंजुषा या व्यतिरिक्त ज्युनियर आइन्स्टाईन आणि आर्यभट्ट मॉडेल मेकिंग अशा थीम असलेल्या स्पर्धांमध्ये भाग घेतला.
Greetings of the day. This is Dr. Supriya, Principal of Tathavade. We are pleased to announce Mecathlon, which is an event for maths and science subject. The participants overall are from Pune branches. We have 10 branches in Pune. They all have participated. Tathavade is a host for grade 4 and 5. Total contribution of the students in this event is with regards to model making, and 50% contribution is for quiz. So students have participated equally in them. Maths quiz, when we talk about, that is with regards to Aryabhatta quiz. This models and quiz questions or the topics were not given by us. They were student selected. Students have to present all the topics in a way what they have studied in their curriculum. How can they put it in as an application where they are given a scope for creativity, thinking skills, and understand how they see this implementation in their real life. When we talk about Junior Einstein, that's a science quiz and the model making, same applies over there also. Students are understanding what is presented, taught to them in the curriculum, which they can present it in a way they have understood it. Teachers have put equally efforts to groom them and shape them about how they are going to present the model. All the efforts that they have been done is by having a group and a teamwork, selecting their own teammates and working across for them.
Good afternoon everyone. This is Mrs. Sumitra Goswami, VP Academics of Pune Zone. We are having 11 schools over here in Pune and one more school in Ahmednagar. Right now this event which we have seen, it was conducted among the 10 schools of Pune. These are the old existing schools. One is a new takeover, so we have not involved them. Regarding the judges who have come to do the judgment, they have been selected from the different grades of other schools. We have invited judges from other schools of Orchids to come and judge our events. For example, if grade 3 and 4 is there, just an example. So we have called other grade parents of some other schools of Orchids. We had Nigri parents, we had Chinchwar parents, but they are having a good background from this engineering background or medical background. Those who have good inclination in science and mathematics, we have invited them for this.